noticed a lot of people wearing shorts while riding.
Welcome to Orange County, squid capital of the world. Today, Ghost Ninja, my man. What are we doing today, Ghost Ninja?
Food.
Food is right. We're gonna ride around for a minute and then we'll pull over. We'll talk a little bit more about where we're going today. I want to do my intro in front of a torpedo. You don't even know what that means, do you?
No idea.
I'm gonna show you. Great place for an intro. You thought I was kidding, huh?
What is this?
This is the headquarters of Oakley.
I like the glasses.
Yeah.
And they have a missile in the tank.
That's a torpedo. I called it a tank one time and the subscribers freaked out on me.
Okay.
It's like some Russian troop mover thing.
Alright.
Alright, Ghost Ninja. You're back.
I'm back.
We're doing it again.
This is quick.
I'm going to make today a little bit easier on you, though.
Alright.
Dude, we're not going to ride all the way to LA for some amazing pizza. Instead, we're going to ride all the way to Irvine for some amazing cheesesteak egg rolls. And a burger. You like cheesesteaks, right?
Who doesn't?
Vegans. The place we're going to is called Friscos Grille. I've been to the place before on my channel, but never really a full featured video. I went around and we ate up a whole bunch of different stuff that I liked, like little appetizers from all these different places around Orange County that I just crave. Still a little riding around first. It's a little warm today. Maybe we'll cruise down, hit PCH, look at the water a little bit, work up an appetite and grab some food. What a cool building, huh? Out of my way, bird. It's not a tank. Don't call it a tank. Ghost Ninja. I like that bike. Last time we rode together, I rode it. GSXS 750. To the line? All right. Oh, shit. Oh, caught me sleeping. Jeez. I want a rematch. Yep. You win some, you lose some. I like this thing. Oh, Prius, come on. Screwing up my program. Let's get an energy drink.
I did. I stalled out.
I'm happy you stalled out.
That was embarrassing.
It looked embarrassing. It looked bad.
It was bad.
You know what I'm craving? Pina Colada Rockstar.
Sounds delicious. Rockstar's been up in the game.
They have. No. Zero sugar energy drinks don't work for me. You gonna do it? Do it right. Oh, they have them. Want to try one?
Yeah, man.
Hi, how are you?
When was the last time you bought a lottery card?
It's been a long time.
Which one wins the most? You want to go big with a $10?
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So in the gas station, we got this lottery ticket. You guys saw because we purchased it. But what? We're not going to scratch it till when?
For dessert, after we eat.
That's dessert?
It's dessert.
That's dessert.
Yeah. Oh, that's delicious.
You like it?
That's bomb.
Okay, I guess this is a good time to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today. Friscos Grille, at least the Irvine location, was established August 2014. They specialize at being an American grill with bold flavors and fresh ingredients. It's a corporate place, but it's good. There's 24 locations, kind of spread around the United States, probably in most of the major cities. Yeah, there's a lot of them. So if you guys like what you see today, go check one out. As you know, today we're after their cheesesteak egg rolls. They have some ahi tacos and some glorious cheeseburgers, man. And that's it. I know there's another one of these in the Santa Monica area, so maybe that's a little bit closer to you. I know a lot of people in California watch these videos. Check it out, man. I have been here before. I don't know that I've ever had one of their cheeseburgers, but I can only imagine it's going to be amazing. And expensive. Maybe. I don't know. I don't really remember what the prices are. But before we get there, we're going to go look at the water a little bit, and I'll show you Laguna Beach. I'm kind of excited about this lottery ticket we got. What if we won 10 mil? What if we won? I deserve it. I don't know about you guys. I don't know about him. But I deserve 10 million. At least 5 of it. What would I do? I'd do a lot. I'd utilize it, man. I'd go buy a badass RV, buy a house, refresh all my bikes, maybe buy some bikes for some friends that need some bikes, pay off all my family and friends' debt. I mean, within reason. I don't know, man. It's a lot of money. FRS1, what's up? Later days, Juan. I'm gonna take you up a fun little hill. Yeah, it's fun, dude.
Cool little area.
Laguna Beach. Maybe we'll see Lauren Conrad. Hanging left. I know this hill doesn't look big on camera, but it's huge.
I feel like going down.
Yeah, let's turn around, go down.
Oh my god. Way scary.
It's the little things. What's up, Juan? Saw Juan again. Shit. Yikes. What is this guy? Come on, dude. Vlogger. Today's a good day. We got great weather, we got ocean, people having fun, cheesesteak egg rolls, cheeseburgers. We found pina colada Rockstar. Not too bad, not too. Lottery tickets, we're gonna win 10 mil. Just so you know. Whoa, someone ate shit there. Corona Del Mar, I guess that's where we're at. Had some people tell me there's a really good pizza place out here. Was it Sergeant Pepper's or something like that? Sergeant Pepperoni's? Well, terrific! Oh wait, that wasn't well terrific. Maserati. You smell antifreeze? Dude, we made it. No tickets, no wrecks. What?
And good parking.
The best parking.
Yeah.
Cheesesteak egg rolls.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Ghost Ninja, the Friscos. Dude, we had the burger, we had the egg rolls, we had the tacos. What'd you like? What didn't you like?
I have to say the tacos were on point. Those things were absolutely amazing. The egg rolls were pretty good. A little bit salty though.
What about the burger?
The burger was on point too. A little much, man. That was a lot of food.
We definitely over-ordered. We had so much food that we couldn't even eat all of it. If you were in the area, would you come back?
If I'm in the area, I would definitely come back.
Would you order the same stuff? What would you get? What wouldn't you get?
For sure, I would order those tacos. Those tacos were bomb. And those egg rolls. I'd have to order egg rolls. Such a unique experience.
Right. Tape measure? Anybody? Anybody?
I've noticed a lot of people wearing shorts while riding.
Welcome to Orange County. Squid capital of the world. All right, fun day riding around with Ghost Ninja as usual. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I enjoyed making it. Always a good time with food and friends on the motorcycle, right? Right. Much love to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. Thank you so much for your continued support. Do appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video. Leave a comment. I always try to respond. I think I do. I think I do respond to all the comments. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware when I do upload a video. I do upload every Monday morning. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Always add new stuff there. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. A lot of crashing, a lot of struggling, a lot of fun. Make sure you go check out Ghost Ninja at his channel. Get his version of today's events. Please support the channel partners: Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, LUIMOTO. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Love you all. See you next time. Later.